Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Crocheting 101. In this playlist you are going to learn all the different kinds of crochet stitches and crochet techniques that I have learned through my adventure with crocheting. If you are having any struggles with crocheting or don't know where to start and haven't even tried it, you can always watch this playlist and maybe you could learn something new. In the Crocheting 101, I will show you how to make some simple crochet stitches as well as some of the more advanced techniques and more advanced stitches as well as some easy patterns to start you going. I hope you enjoy this playlist as much as I did making it, and if you are struggling a bit you can always comment down below and also replay it for yourself again and again until you get it. I hope you guys will enjoy this playlist as much as I did making it, and if you are struggling a bit you can always replay the video and watch it again. If you are really struggling and you have no idea what I'm talking about, you can always comment down below and I will try and help you. If you enjoyed this playlist and enjoy all of my videos, you can always subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And also you could maybe like this video. You can also share this playlist or these videos to other people who you think will also enjoy crocheting. So thank you for watching and happy hooking. Bye!